You are a farmer.
Yes, sir. I'm farmer, sir.
Uh,
I'm doing farming now in my village.
yeah.
But I'm unable to find a person to communicate in English in my village, sir.
Mm.
So regularly, especially during night time, frequently I watch your videos, sir.
Yes.
You already spoke to one person who is from Pakistan, Lakan Kumar.
Lakhan Kumar. Yeah.
Lakan Kumar, yes, yes, sir. And one girl also made a call from Bihar, I think, Sandhya.
Kandya.
Yes, Sandhya. And just now I watched one video, and one of the constable from Telangana made a call to you.
Yeah.
So yes, I'm watching your videos, sir. I'm so excited, sir. I'm at the same time unable to get what we call sentences. I'm unable to get the
Yes. Yes.
sentences because when I don't know what the reason.
Yeah. It happened, sir. It happened. This is not
Yes,
our
sir.
first language. So it happened. It
Yes,
happened.
sir.
It happened with me
Yes,
or
sir.
sometime.
Yes, tell me, sir.
Definitely. Where are you calling from?
Sam, sir.
Where is it?
Andhra Pradesh.
Visakhapatnam. Andhra. Andhra.
I made a call, sir, but fortunately it was okay,
Yeah.
sir.
It's my fortune. It's not yours. It's my fortune that you call me. It's my fortune, sir. It's not yours. It's my fortune that you love me. You call me. You're trying to call me. It's my fortune, sir. Don't say
Definitely,
like that.
sir. Sir, I want to be fluent, sir. So actually, if I talk to you regularly, so the one day definitely I'll become good master in English, sir. But
Definitely,
you are denying my proposal, sir. So
I'm not.
I
I'm
was
not denying your proposal. I'm not denying. I'm not denying to your proposal, brother. But like you do have other brother as well. There is other
I
brother.
know, I know.
Also do.
So there are many people who are waiting for your call in India and abroad
Yeah.
also. So
Yeah.
at the same time, I am also eagerly waiting, sir. I'm also eagerly looking to talking to you, sir. So
Yes. Yes,
therefore,
sir.
I'm requesting you. I'm requesting. Therefore, I'm requesting you to make a call. That means to talk to you in English, sir.
So we are talking, sir. We are talking right now. We are.
Yes, sir.
Your request is fulfilled already.
Of course. So one day,
So maybe your second wish. Maybe your
I
second
do
wish,
not.
huh? Maybe your second wish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Hello, my name is
Yes. Yes.
Venkat, sir.
Please.
Venkat.
Venkat. And
My name is Venkat. I'm from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, sir. Yes.
yeah.
Hello. Yes. I'm farmer, sir. I'm doing farming right now. So
Mm.
actually, nowadays in farming, the farmers are using modern methods, sir. That means modern techniques to get more
Mm.
yield.
Yeah.
Okay, therefore, to interact with companies and some representatives, and
Mm.
some representatives are coming to villages and they're selling their agricultural products such as seeds
Yeah.
and pesticides and chemicals. So,
Mm.
some of the representatives are coming from other states also.
Mm.
So they don't know our native language like Telugu.
Yeah.
Telugu is our mother tongue, sir. Telugu is our mother tongue. So most of the people doesn't know Telugu. That means the representatives who are coming from other states to sell their company products in our local. That means I want to say my views and doubts and all to the representatives in English. Therefore, I want to learn, sir. That means they can understand only English, so they cannot understand. They doesn't know Telugu, sir. They doesn't know Telugu. They know English and they know Hindi, but we don't know Hindi because we are fully influenced by mother tongue, sir. We know English. That means I am not perfect in English. Somewhat, some situations I can manage, sir. Therefore, I want to get fluent in English to make my what we call to make my conversation complete. To
Yeah.
complete to complete my conversation without any what we call pauses. Without any
Yeah. So
pauses, I want to explain everything, my doubts and queries to explain to the people. I need English, sir. Therefore, I want to learn English, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's true. What's your qualification, sir? What's your qualification?
Uh, Degree, sir.
Which degree?
Degree.
Which degree?
Degree, sir.
Degree.
Degree, sir. Just BSc.
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 Mashallah.
I
Mashallah.
have completed BSc from Andhra
That, that,
University. I have completed from Andhra University, sir.
that's good. So why don't you learn? Why don't you focus on Hindi, brother? Why? What's the reason? Why don't you learning
Sir,
Hindi?
yes, sir. Hindi is one of the subjects in my schooling, sir. So according to state board, we have Hindi, sir. But we just give an importance Hindi for getting pass mark in exams.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Up to that level, we got the Hindi, sir. But we don't know much in Hindi, sir, because we are fully influenced by Telugu, sir. Because Telugu is our mother tongue, sir. So no, in our locality, in our region, so very few people can speak in Hindi, sir. That too, the people who work in other states like North India, especially Uttar Pradesh, like Bihar and Delhi, and in some of the North Indian states, they only can speak Hindi, sir. And rest of the people cannot speak Hindi, so they can speak completely Telugu. And some of the people can understand English, and very few people can speak English fluently. So I too want to
yes.
be like a fluent.
Yeah, I understand, sir. I understand, but sometimes I don't know. I feel that look, Hindi is our national language, sir. I understand that we need English, everybody, but what about the Hindi? This is our
Hindi, yes,
beautiful language.
it's a
You will never find like a Hindi language anywhere in the world. MashaAllah, it's a
yes,
very beautiful. You should try to learn at least kaise ho aap, kya ho aap. At least just greeting
actually,
only, just greeting, and try to try to express your gratitude front of the people. That's it only. A few words only, brother. This is my request
sir,
you to. This
yes,
is my request,
yes,
brother, for you. Just
very
learn
good, sir.
little bit Hindi. This is my request for you, brother.
So I know, yes, very nice, sir. Hindi is
Please don't deny.
one of
Please
the
don't deny.
subjects of my academic career, sir.
Yeah.
Hindi is one of the subjects of my academic. Like in schooling, it was a subject. Till my
It
10th
was in
class,
your academic. It was your academic, but you were not able to speak, sir. I need person
yes,
who able to.
yes, but we cannot speak Hindi, sir, because
But
we did not give that much importance. Because our teachers and all told us to read Hindi only for getting full marks in 10th class. No,
I see.
and
That's
and
not
one
your
more thing,
fault.
sir.
That's
We
not
can
your
read.
fault.
We can read and we can write Hindi, but we cannot
Yes, yes.
talk in Hindi. We cannot make conversation in Hindi with others. That's the problem, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna practice with you English, but my condition is you will speak Hindi with me in the next session. I want you if you're gonna speak Hindi with me, we'll talk to you, inshallah. This is my
Definitely, sir.
condition.
Definitely,
This is my
I know
condition.
one word, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, definitely, sir. I know one word. Just simple words, simple sentences we know in Hindi. Like,
Tell me.
like suddenly, if suddenly I'm not unable to get the sentences because we are not
Okay,
perfect in Hindi.
I'm waiting. I am waiting. And I am waiting here. Don't
Definitely,
take your time.
sir. Sir, definitely, I'll learn some sentences. That means when I call you after 2 days or 3 days, if you give me
Okay.
chance,
What
if
about
you
what
attend
about
my,
now?
if you
What
attend
about
my call,
what
now,
about now? I
now,
want to listen now. I want to listen.
sir,
Just remember. Try to remember. I'm waiting. Come on. Take your time. Don't worry.
sir, क्या चाहिए? I know the
Arey,
sentence. क्या
Ayye,
क्या चाहिए?
Rama.
I, no. I know that word. क्या चाहिए means what do you want? Am I right, sir? What do you want?
Yes, yes.
क्या चाहिए? Is it right? Is it right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
You are right.
English. My answer is English चाहिए. I want to be fluent in English, sir.
Why are you doing like that? Why? Why?
No, actually, we don't know, but some of my colleagues and some of my friends told in some of the once upon a time.
Yeah.
So just one or two sentences I knew. I knew, sir. Just I knew few sentences. I don't know much.
Okay. Okay. Try to learn some. Try to learn new words. We'll talk.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, sir.
We'll talk again
Sir,
after 1 week, brother. After 1 week, we'll
first,
talk again.
definitely, sir. Sir, before making me perfect in Hindi, so first make me perfect in English, sir.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
If you make me perfect in English, that's especially in communication. If I be perfect in talking in English with someone like you, because you are a teacher, teach in the sense you are a master in communication skills, like because you are talking with many people. I too have that kind of zeal, sir. I too have that kind of passion. I too want to be fluent in English, but I did not get source. Source in the sense no one is available to talk to me in English in my locality. Sure, sir.
I see.
So
I see.
therefore, when I'm searching in YouTube, I found you, sir. Ari photo. I found you. I really, sir. I watched your all videos, sir. I watched your all videos. Whenever I get time, whenever I get free time, so simply I'm going through your videos, sir. I'm watching your videos. I found some new vocabulary. I found some accent, which really impressed me, sir. So really, I like your accent and your vocabulary and all. Even you are easily communicating with even foreigners also. The foreigners also loving your accent and loving your fluency. I don't know the reason. How did you get this kind of fluency and accent? Being a auto driver, you got this kind of. Then why can't I learn being a farmer? You know that farming is very important and what we call a noble job in India, right? In today in the sense in present days, no one is accepting farming. No one is coming to field to get to grow. Everyone is ignoring the farming. Am I right or not,
Yeah.
sir?
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Everyone is choosing. Yes, everyone is choosing different professions other than farming. Someone is becoming like IT prof. Some people are choosing IT professions. Some people are going to what we call cities and towns. They're simply leaving their villages. Okay.
Yes.
So therefore, I'm just I have chosen this profession. At the same time, I want to get new methods in farming. So that's the reason I want to learn English. I want to share my views. Yes, I want to.
Yeah,
I have many doubts. My villagers are having different doubts because their crop is frequently affected by mosquito. So they doesn't know how to overcome the problem, how to solve the issue, how to treat the crop, how to get back from the disease. They don't know what medicine or what pesticide should be used for curing the problem. The executives and the market representatives have been what we call telling everything, how to use the product and how to what we call how to spray this product, but they're unable to understand. They're unable to use the correct value for spraying on the crop. You don't know the reason, sir. Why should we what we call why should we feel shame, sir? It's a part of our life, sir. How we are eating food grains.
Our culture is farming, brother. Our culture is farming. We Indian are belongs to farmer. We belongs to farming.
Yes, today we might be in cities and towns, but our forefathers once think about us. They came from villages. They born and brought up in village.
Yes, definitely, brother. Definitely.
They did farming. They were engaged in farming. They grew different types of crops. But today we are ignoring them. Today we are not supporting the farmers. Even the farmer is unable to get a right price for their agricultural produce at the time of harvest. time of harvest, the farmer is unable to get the right price.
Yes, yes.
The government is giving the right price before sowing the season, before starting of the agriculture season. The government is giving some prices, but in market actually it is not taking place. The farmer is unable to sell his product.
Yes, yes, I see.
The
Well,
farmer
fantastic.
doesn't know. Yes, the
Yeah.
farmer doesn't
Well,
know how to